Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jill with Texas Gardening Gal, and let's do a little seed haul. Okay, so some little bit of news before I start this seed haul. We had plans on moving, however, that has been scratched. Done. It's not happening. So, we got lots of work to do. But the good thing is all of my raised beds are ready for my fall garden. Everything's been cleared out. I will do some fresh soil and we'll start some new seeds real soon indoors. So let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different seeds, and I did purchase these from a seller on Etsy. I thought I would give it a try, and I also thought I would try some things that I've never grown before. So it's gonna be interesting. Okay, these are kind of little, but I'm gonna try to do the best I can to show you. The first one is microgreens. I don't know if you can see it. It says it can grow between zones 3 through 11 to plant between February and October. It gives like the depth, the spacing of it, and it has here, it's kind of faint with this lettering. Watering, it says 3 days a week, and germination, I can't say 3 days, at 59 to 85 degrees. But it says it matures in 14 to 20. That's what I can read on this. This one's kind of not real easy to see. These are better. Maybe this other one was just, their ink was running out or something. The next one is Beets Detroit Dark Red. Zone 2 through 10, planting between January and December. It says about the spacing, watering 3 days a week, germination in 10 days at 50 to 85 degrees, and they mature in 55 to 70 days. I'm excited to plant these. Next one. Every time, I'll just tell you what this is, and then I'll tell you the story. The next one is Mammoth Sunflower. Every time I plant sunflowers, I plant them in this back area here, and I buy the seeds that I swear are the big sunflowers, right? And they're not big, so I'm not really sure what happens. However, these should be the big ones. Zones 2 through 11, planting between March and July. I guess we gotta wait to plant these. It talks about the spacing, watering 3 days a week, germination 14 days at 70 to 85 degrees, and they mature in 80 to 120 degrees. So I guess we'll just go ahead and plant these in March. Why am I thinking we can plant sunflowers in the fall? Someone please tell me. I could have swore we could plant sunflowers in the fall. I don't know. Next one is, it says, it feels so good out here, by the way. I'm not hot, but we've been getting a lot of rain. Cilantro Common. This is, I'm really excited to try to grow some cilantro. It says zones 3 through 11, planting date August through April, so we can do it now. Talks about the spacing, watering 3 days a week, germination 10 days at 55 to 70 degrees, and it matures in 70 to 90 days. And the last one, I ended up getting 2 packs of these, and these seeds are teeny tiny, is a corn poppy, and they are red. It says they're red. Yeah, I got 2 packets of red. Zones 3 through 11, planting between March through November. Talks about the spacing, watering 3 days a week. Germination is 28 days at 55 to 60 degrees, and they mature within 60 to 90 days. And so, yeah, everything's packaged like that in an envelope. The cilantro seeds, I'm sorry I didn't show you the backs of the seeds. That's the cilantro, the sunflower, the beets, and the microgreens. It's just these poppy seeds that are itty bitty. So that is my mini little garden seed haul. I wanted to try a few things different. I don't know what Dee's doing. Dee Dee and Daisy are out here with me this evening. What else? Not a whole lot's going on. It's just been raining a lot here. It's kind of been weird. August, it really didn't rain much, and now the end of August, we've been getting a lot of rain, so I'm okay with a little rain. We did need some rain. We will this week get some fresh soil in these beds. I'm going to show you here in a second. I need some mulch, remulch this one area, and put some more drawn a blank, the little fabric to keep the weeds out, even though weeds seem to still come through. But let me show you my basil. Okay, so for the longest time, probably 2-3 weeks, I was thinking this basil's not doing good. It's kind of getting yellow and just not looking right. And all of a sudden, it really greened up. It's getting real bushy and beautiful. Let me show you. Here's one of the basils, but look at how beautiful it is looking. And this here, let me show you the tag, is the Mexican mint. I'm not thinking that one did good. There is one tomato. This is an herb. I think it's thyme. I have to double look at that. My tomato, I need to get a cage around this or a trellis. And my little pepper plant kind of looks a little burnt. But I'm just, oh my goodness, look at that basil. And here's the other one. I mean, look at how beautiful this is. Other than that, like I said, we got these pretty much all cleared out. I need to remulch. This needs more soil. And I removed all the chocolate mint from here. It will come back, I promise. It does every year. Here are 2 more. There's a pepper plant, Mexican mint, and then I just took all this out. We'll figure out what we're gonna put in there. But it feels so nice outside right now. It's just like perfect temperature. A little muggy though. It is muggy out, but not like it usually is. And it's kind of sprinkling. Oh boy. But I still think I'm gonna get those Vigo planters that I was talking about and figure something out with those. I like the raised bed ordeals. What else? That's about it. Pretty non-eventful. We're gonna try to get things back up and going here. I have the perfect place for a shelf with grow lights that we can put over in my dining room window or breakfast room area, whatever you want to call it. It has been in a box for probably a year. I have not set it up. I have not used it. Shame on me. But we're gonna go ahead and do that. Well, let's see. I think I have. Yeah, I do have some planters to start seeds in. So yeah. that is what we have going on. I hope you follow my journey. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see what's going to grow next. Have a wonderful, wonderful holiday weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye, friends.